Welcome to DJM TV.
E don set for inside tribunal. Dem don summon INEC chairman make e come appear as witness.
My correct pipo, we greet una. We welcome una to DJM TV where ogbonge tori and update dey shele. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una hurry now go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified sharply. And make una no forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and update wey we carry come for una.
My pipo, no be small tin happen today for inside court o. Mahmood Yakubu wey be INEC chairman, e don enter better one chance, no be small. Dem don summon am o, dem don summon am come court tomorrow make e come talk, come explain to Nigerians how e take declare Babati as president-elect wey don be president so. No be small tin my pipo, dis matter e don dey long o. Technology e get power, no be small. Atiku lawyers na dem don confirm am like dis o, say based on all the evidence, all the documents, everything wey the opposition don bring come out against the election, wetin happen, how the election take play and everything, court don finally decide now say make Mahmood come explain give Nigerians how e take sit down by himself take declare Babati as president-elect, because all dis talk wey people dey bring come out so, make lawyers all of dem dey carry come out so, dem no carry am come out from blues, e happen. So make e come explain where e see im own document, where e see everything, how e take agree, take accept, come say okay na Babati na im win dis election. So na im make dem don summon am like dis, so make e come tribunal tomorrow wey be 15th of June, make e come explain, make e come talk how the whole thing take play, how the whole matter take play, make e come tell Nigerians, dem wan know. So my people, I go leave una now, make una watch dis video now. PDP lawyers dey talk so, dem dey tell the world now say make people hear, make dem hear wetin happen, say wetin play for court today, how the whole thing take play for court. So na dis PDP lawyers dey talk so. Make I play una the video now, make una lis ten to wetin dey talk for inside. Make una watch the video, we dey come.
Yes. You see today, we called our star witness who gave very robust evidence, and you see in the course of his evidence, he also tendered those video clips, very important video clips, showing the INEC chairman making the commitment to Nigerians for that real-time transmission of the results by the beavers machine to the IREF. And you see, with that established, we are very, very happy with what has happened today. And he also tendered even screenshots from the IREF. You saw the documents tendered. So when we now mentioned that we had subpoenaed the INEC chairman, you can see that there are some documents we tendered and they objected to. But now we are also subpoenaing them to come by themselves and produce those documents. Those documents, let them produce them themselves so that we know whether they will object or not object to the ones they will produce by themselves. Thank you very much.
Hey my people, no be small thing o. Mahmood Yakubu. Anyway my people, na the update wey we carry come for now like this video, so no be small thing o. Wey we see wetin go happen tomorrow. Make una drop una comment and say una reason and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in our next video. DJ